Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market update for Wednesday, March 9th. Stocks on Wall Street opened modestly lower following a solid rally yesterday, spurred by gains in the financial sector. It was the first winning session for the market after 2 days of declines, but today's sentiment seems a bit less bullish. Crude oil has turned higher again and is now approaching $106 a barrel. Gold is rising as well today, trading at around $1,435 an ounce.
A possible bankruptcy in the utility sector leads today's corporate news. Dynegy said it may be forced to file for Chapter 11 protection because it may not be able to make its debt payments later this year. Dynegy blamed its problems on lower electricity prices. Last year, the company tried to sell itself to Blackstone Group, but shareholders rejected the deal. Later, investor Carl Icahn tried to buy the firm, but his offer also failed to win enough votes. Right now, shares of Dynegy are losing more than 2%.
One stock moving higher this morning is American International Group. After Tuesday's closing bell, AIG said it paid back $6.9 billion of the money it owes to the U.S. Treasury. The money came from the sale of its shares in MetLife earlier this month. AIG has repaid about $36 billion to the government so far this year, and it now owes the Treasury $11.3 billion. We're also keeping an eye on shares of Honeywell this morning. The manufacturing giant forecast first quarter profit that was below Wall Street estimates, but its revenue may top expectations. Right now, Honeywell is down about 1.5%.
We're seeing some weakness in the technology sector, making the NASDAQ composite the worst performer among the major U.S. indexes in the early going. Texas Instruments is slipping 3% after narrowing its sales and earnings forecast for the first quarter. Meanwhile, fiber optic equipment maker Finisar is tumbling 38% after posting a disappointing outlook for the current quarter. Finisar's rival, JDSU is sliding more than 10% in sympathy. And Ciena is falling again today, down more than 5%. Earlier this week, the communication equipment maker reported a wider loss in the latest quarter.
Finally, it's time to wish a happy second anniversary to the current bull market. 2 years ago today, the U.S. economy was in the depths of the credit crisis, and the S&P 500 was sitting below 700. Today, it's nearly double that, and the Dow Industrials have risen 87%. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.